Hi, Mark T the Handyman. Today we're going to try to get a little bit more light in this workroom here. We're going to put some new brighter light bulbs and then move it over to the center so it's more in the center of this aisle versus closer to the storage area. Most important thing we're going to have to do today is get the right light bulb size. Fluorescent light bulbs come in the T8, T5, and T4 size. Ours is a 48 T8, which means that it's 48 inches long and it's 5/8 inch in diameter. First thing we're going to do is take these old light bulbs out. How you do that is just give them a little twist, and there's little tabs in there that line up with the slots. There's our little tabs, okay, and they go up and down vertically. And same thing with this other light bulb. You just turn it, the slots line up, and there we have it. So now we're going to put the new light bulbs in. We got our little pins vertically lined up with the slots. You gently get them in there, give it a little turn, and you can feel that kind of lock in there. All right, here's the second bulb. We get the pins lined up. The slots, and let's see, give it a little turn. Again, let's see, it's locked in. And I always work on stuff like this with no power, okay? And in this particular case, we use a outlet, and we just plug them in, and there we go. Well, I think there's a lot more light. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up. Also, if you'd like to subscribe and get more videos, subscribe at the bottom. Thank you very much.